In today's video, we will learn that how we can use the toggle in Angular. For laymen or beginners, let me explain in simple words that what is toggle. Toggle is that how to hide or display any item on every click is called toggle. So in this video, first we will make a HTML element and button, then define and apply property on that, then we'll update the property for toggle. So one thing, when I'm talking for HTML tag, it doesn't mean that will only apply on one tag. It will be applied to whatever inside that div. So guys, let's jump into the code and try to understand that how toggle works in Angular. So first I'm going to just write a one button here, or just define a button tag here, and for button tag I will just define one click with banana brackets, and here I will define the toggle function for instance, and here the toggle text here. So now it's saying that toggle functions not exist, so we will define the toggle function here in .ts file, and for toggle function we will just define toggle here, and here we can just, for instance, let me first set up the one display as well. Display is equal to false for instance, right? And here on toggle I will just set it to true. So now let's jump into the HTML again and see that how we can use this one. And let me add one h1 tag here by use the display, and for that let me define code with Kaleem here, and I will handle the toggle feature here with if condition njif is equal to display. So whatever, if the property will be true, then it will display the code with Kaleem, otherwise it will not display this tag. So let's see that how it's work. So for that one, let's jump into this and see localhost toggle. Okay, so you can see here that the code with Kaleem is coming up. Now we have to hide this as well, so let's see that how we can manage this. So for that one, we just go to the .ts file, and here we will just define it this dot display. So if it will be true, then it will set as a false. If it will be false, then it will be set as a true. So now let's see that whether it's working or not. So let's see here. Okay, so if I click again, so it hide. If I click again, it's come up. So it is a toggle. So now let's see that if I define multiple tags here, for instance, if I just define p hello world, right? So I can just hide this or not. Let's see. So all the paragraphs should be hide as well with the toggle feature as well, because it's inside this h1 tag. So you can also define it under the div as well, so it doesn't matter. So we're handling inside this one h1 for now. So if I just do it, and it's all the items will be hidden. So I hope that guys, you able to learn something today new in Angular, the toggle feature. So I will come up with another interesting video. The next video will be related to how to use bootstrap in Angular. So I will give you the interesting demo in the next video as well. So stay tuned and subscribe my channel to get updated videos as well. Thank you guys.